Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i and let me share with you how to turn on forwarding apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with, I believe, the square icon. And if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, like that. After releasing the finger, you can see the recents, so all previously open tabs. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of them or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up, just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and if you want to close all of them, simply tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got this information. After entering, we can see that basically we do not have any opened apps, which means that we just successfully turned off all of them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.